Hello and welcome to this video. The diagram shows a triangle with sides n squared plus n, 2n plus 12 and 3n plus 3. What is the sum of all the values of n for which the triangle is isosceles? This problem has been taken from the ukmt Intermediate Maths Challenge 2019. If you would like to give it a go, then pause the video now. Okay, so for a triangle to be isosceles, two of the sides must have the same length. We can simulate this by equating two of the sides from our diagram and getting n from the resultant equation. So our first one will be n squared plus n equals 2n plus 12. Our second one will be n squared plus n equals 3n plus 3. And our third one will be 2n plus 12 equals 3n plus 3. So now let's simplify these and get n. So n squared minus n minus 12 by moving everything to one side equals 0. And this factorizes to n minus 4, n plus 3. And as the side can't have a negative value, the only possible answer is n equals 4. Now for the second one, we do the same thing by moving everything to one side, getting n squared minus 2n minus 3 equals 0. Then factorizing it, and then getting n equals 3. And finally, for the last one, we get n equals 9. So here are three possible values of n. But here is the catch. If we were to draw all of these triangles, then we'd see that this one with n equals 9, there is a problem. Now what is this problem? Well, the triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. But 30 plus 30 is not greater than 90, so this triangle is impossible to construct. Hence we only have two possible lengths for n. So we can cross out n equals 9, add our 4 plus 3, get 7, and then this will be our answer. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.